how many of you have experienced stress in your life? I have, I know, so I'm raising my hand. Show of hands. Have experienced stress in your life. Fight or flight response is very, very important for our own survival, which means stress is also important for our own survival. Can anybody tell me how many of you have heard a less than 5-year-old child saying that, oh, I'm too stressed?
I actually have heard a 3-year-old say that.
The times are changing, okay? And less than
Yeah.
5-year-old kids are saying I am stressed. So imagine now you are sunshine, okay? And all these 5 sufferings that we are going to talk about are the clouds. Can you all say I am good?
I'm good.
I am
I'm
good.
good. Yep,
You don't have to think about it. You just have to say I'm good.
I'm good.
I am good.
I'm good. You have a question, Bhavya? I can see.
Yeah, so in this analogy, are you saying the ingredients are internal, our thoughts, and the fire is an external power which we don't have
Fire
control,
is
or
something that is, see, everything is a part of us. You have to understand that. It is not external.
okay, okay.
The thoughts, the emotions, the senses, where are they coming from? They are coming externally.
Mhm.
Your आप किसी चीज को प्यार करते हो, आप एक फूल को लेते हो, मैं इसको बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, I love this flower, I love this flower, and you are taking it in your hand and you're squishing it continuously. Okay, what will happen to that flower?
क्रश हो जाएगा.
Crush हो जाएगा ना. आप उसको छोड़ दोगे, आप उसको अपनी जगह पे रहने दोगे, उसको खिलने दोगे, तो वो खिलेगा. Anything that we want to change, it is uncomfortable to us. What do they say? To be successful, you need to be comfortable being uncomfortable. Are we learning something today?
Yes. So my recent stress was just moving to Pittsburgh from India, Bangalore. So that was a big change for me. And I think Abhinivesha, because it was a change and it was stressful just within me emotionally and environmentally. And also Dvesha, because I felt like I was spoiled in India. I was like, everything was so easily available, and now I have nothing, and I have to struggle to get like basic things. And to wash
Right.
clothes, it's like I have to take so I can think two of them were
Cloudy.
like, yeah.
I think I felt recently that feeling of hatedness that came into my mind, which I think spoiled my week or 10 days. And the best thing is that only that day I saw your this article you posted.
Yes.
That's why I asked you, can I join that or not?
Yes.
So I think hated was the one which came into mind, and I feel like go back to Gurgaon, Sonu.
But what we have to remember is that these are our clouds and you are the sunshine. If you will not say it, you cannot do it.
Completely.
Okay, magic breath or magic breathing. It is about being aware of your breath. Now, how many of you felt the bubble, the cloud actually go away?
Feel like it's just I'm more ready to accept it. I don't think it went away. It's just there, but it's just distanced.
Yes.
It's not in my face. So every time I was inhaling, I was imagining the actual cloud, and some visual was inside the cloud, and I flew away. It just went at a distance. So it's like zoomed out. That's all.
Good. That zoom out is also good. You can be
Mhm.
happy about the things that are good in your life. That is the power of gratitude.
Yeah, I'm just grateful to internet and like just technology or the whatever platforms we've got. Like it was WhatsApp because of which I knew this was available, and even logging in from a different part of the earth, and it's all. I was scared of the change because I was able to go to the gym, had an instructor in person, and all of that, and I could meet you if I wanted to. You were in the same pin code, and
Yes.
now I can still make it using internet. So I'm really grateful for the time I'm living in and the internet and the ease of access of everything.
Good. Great. Awesome.
Yeah, Pari, I just want to say thanks for the first time I celebrated this festival called Gauri Ganesha Puja. So I feel very blessed that still Kanaji and Ganpati ji is there with me, giving happiness, lighting me up with their grace, blessings, and everything. So I am so thankful for that today. I did it in a good manner. It happened in a good manner. So thanks to them.
This is the fire you can borrow. All right.
Thanks for letting us borrow yours.
Yeah, we should thank Pari. I think that you started it today.
So much.
Thank you, Pari.
Thank you so much. And please just be grateful. Say thank you to like 10 people in a day. And trust me, guys, it will all come back. Why the journaling? Because writing on paper, putting pen and paper together is bringing your energy out of you.
So I want to say sorry to myself that I lost my track of meditation, yoga, and believe in me that I have been through a lot and I can do much more than that. Instead of cribbing and saying, "Oh, this not happen, that not happen, why this, why that," and with that feeling, I would say I should thank you, Pari, for scheduling this session and helping me to awake myself and understand the power of this gratitude, love, passion, fire, everything. So my special thanks to you today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, होता ना इतना प्यार कैसे संभालेंगे हम? But
नहीं आप संभालो.
I don't know. In the end, I was like, I want that, chill attitude which like teenage kids have. They're on their headphones. They don't care what parents think. They don't want anyone what anyone thinks. I want to like have that a little bit shameless attitude back in my life.
I wouldn't call it shameless. I would call it limitless. Okay?
Yes, limitless
Don't set
attitude.
limits on yourself. Remember that you are the sunshine. Just recap very, very quickly. We discussed about the 5 clouds. Can anybody tell me which are the 5 clouds?
Ignorance, ego, hatred, fear of loss, attachment.
Remember, magic breathing. Gratitude is your personal sunshine. Okay? And journaling. Say, I am the sunshine.
I'm the sunshine.
I'm the sunshine.
I am the sunshine.
I'm the sunshine.
Again, I am the sunshine.
I'm the sunshine. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Pari.
And I'll see
Bye.
you tomorrow.